In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items on your Square website. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard is, of course, create or edit your items. So if you're not sure how to do this, you basically want to go to Items and Services, then Items over here, and then click on Item Library. Now, this is going to open up the collection or library of your items. I do have a separate video tutorial on how to actually create items, so if you don't know, you can go watch that first. There's a playlist linked to the end of this video. And then from here, of course, you want to create your items and you want to make them visible. So to make them visible, you want to select all of these you want to make visible. I'm just going to click over here to actually select all of them. If you want just some, you can go and check mark just some of them. Go to actions at the bottom, and then you want to do update site visibility, and you want to make them visible and click on update. And you also want to do actions and then update sales channels, and you want to make sure that your website is selected under sales channels. Whenever you've done that, click on update, and there we go, the first part is done. The second one is to basically add the items to your website layout. So you want to go to online over here on the left, and you want to click on websites. This is going to open up over here the websites from Square. Then you have to go to a website on the left and click on editor. This is going to open up your editor where you can basically physically add your items to your website layout. So let me show you how to do this. Now, one of the easiest and quickest way to showcase your items would be to use the shop all page. So go to up top, and if of course when you click on the home tab, if of course a shop all page is already here, you can go and just click on that, or you could go and click on the plus button, click on page, and select the shop all over here, and it's gonna get added to your list. Now in here, of course, you'll be able to basically click on it, and this is where you can add your items. So as you can see, you can select the layout, you can do arrange items to basically showcase the items like this. You could edit them, you could make it custom, etc. And that's how you basically can add your items. Now you could also go to any of these pages over here. So if I go click on done, for example, I could add a section somewhere else. For example, if I go to the home page, I can like add a section. If I click on add section, I can find something like featured items, for example, and I can select how I want it to look. So I'm just going to put on one featured item over here, and I'm going to actually click on that specific box. I'm going to choose an item, and we're going to do socks over here. Click on it, and there we go. It's going to feature that specific item. I have added it on my Square website. So that's essentially how to do this. It's super simple. Just don't forget to publish and then save it whenever you're done. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.